Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Papa Garcia and welcome to my channel. As you all know, I'm a nurse by background, but since I have the artistic side as well, and I'm like, I just recently moved flats and I'm like, why don't we try to make this flat more beautiful and just try to do some DIY stuff. Since we're not allowed to travel and because I'm a minimalist, I won't be allowed to do travel vlogs anymore or do some fashion stuff. So yeah, let's stick to home decor, to beautifying the home, just basically doing a makeover for this room. So that's gonna be the content of my channel from now on. I recently moved from Stratford to Queen's Park, and basically that's from east to west, and my friends were telling me that's the same journey I've taken from the Philippines to United Kingdom. It's so funny. And so far, yeah, Queen's Park is very lovely. I love West London. People are more friendly. There's a sense of community over here. I love the independent shops. I love the cafes. And I just love the overall vibe of this place. And very close to Central as well. So for our project today, you guys, we're going to construct a 50-pound drawer chest from Amazon. And we're going to beautify it, make it more expensive, just make it more cozy, make it more warm. And because I have furnitures in my bedroom that are all natural wood, so we're just gonna style it differently so that there's gonna be a little bit of contrast in my room. Let's go outside. No, when I say outside, it's just in my living room, really, in the space in my living room, and do the DIY. Let's go. So yeah, the flat is a bit of a mess at the moment, but that's my wrongdoing. And I managed to construct this already last night, and I've sanded this bits so that the Mod Podge and the paint could actually stick more onto it. Like this one is sanded as well, you can see. So let's get to construction. Oh, look at her, you guys, how beautiful this is. This stunning wallpaper over here. So the first thing we should do here is to find a good center point for the wallpaper and just align it to your plank. So what I'm doing here, you guys, I'm just brushing the planks with Mod Podge and attaching it to the wallpaper. So we're gonna cut the edges right here, and then at the very bottom here, so that we can connect the last plank. As you can see, I have aligned them so that when I construct them on the drawer later, it will have a neat and cohesive design. Otherwise, it will give me anxiety. So guys, this piece right here, it's like the end of the thingy right here. So we're just gonna try to match it wherever this one's gonna be so that we can still have a coherent design. I just don't know where. Maybe it's like around here. Yeah, I think it's something like that. Perfect. And then we'll just cut it and then just paste the last plank. Since we did exact on it for this one, the edges are not that smooth, so we can actually sand this and it will make it much nicer around the edges over here, yeah? So guys, it is paint time. So as you can see, I have the roller brush over here. And of course, we're gonna use this paint from Rust-Oleum. We're gonna use this sage green color. I really like this olive green sort of neutral color, and I think it will really look good with the cabinet. Oh gosh, look at this. Such a nice color. Hi YouTube! Here's my housemate Marie. It's like Drew. It's like avocado. Diba?
Pero parang mas nakukuha ko yung green matcha to yun.
Actually, it smells like matcha and I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat this pen. I'm gonna miss matcha forever. So Judge, thanks for filming me.
Nakaka-crave nga siya ng green matcha eh.
No.
Yeah, it reminds me of Japan. Wow.
Hey, so the paint has fully dried now, and the next step is for us to put the handle. I have this silver handle that came with the box, but I think it would be a crime if you put this on. Look at this, it's so hideous. So I have purchased this amazing brass handles from Amazon. Look at this, you guys, it is so beautiful. It will just make the look of the drawer more elevated or opulent, if you may. I really love this look. Yay, we're finally done with the drawer. Are you guys ready for the reveal? Alright, in 3, 2, 1. That was a tough job, you guys, but look at the finished product. It's so beautiful and I really love it in my room. It just goes to show that a little bit of color will not hurt in your room. It will add more life to it and it will make your room more interesting. So if you want me to post more videos like this, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!